Hello and welcome to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Summer and today we're discussing an important and sometimes misunderstood topic in Texas family law: prenuptial agreements and how they can be voided under certain circumstances. While many people believe that a prenuptial agreement is ironclad, the truth is that Texas law provides ways for these agreements to be invalidated. Understanding the conditions under which a prenuptial agreement can be voided is essential, whether you're contemplating marriage or going through a divorce. First, let's start with a brief overview of prenuptial agreements. A prenuptial agreement, or prenup, is a legal contract between two people who are planning to marry. This contract outlines how assets, debts, and other financial matters may be handled during the marriage and in the event of divorce. In Texas, prenuptial agreements are governed by the Texas Family Code and can cover a wide range of issues from property division to spousal support. Prenuptial agreements are usually intended to protect individual assets and establish clear expectations about financial matters. However, not all prenups are enforceable. Under certain conditions, a prenuptial agreement can be voided by the court, leaving its provisions unenforceable. Texas law allows a prenuptial agreement to be voided if certain conditions are met. There are a few key reasons why a court might invalidate a prenup. First, the agreement must have been signed voluntarily by both parties. If one spouse was forced or coerced into the signing of the prenup, the court can rule that the agreement is invalid. This often happens when there is evidence of duress, where one party pressures the other into signing the agreement without free will. Second, a prenuptial agreement can be voided if it is deemed unconscionable at the time it was executed. This means that the terms of the prenup are so one-sided or unfair that enforcing the agreement would be unjust. For example, if one party hides assets or fails to disclose their full financial situation before signing the prenup, the court may consider this agreement unconscionable and refuse to enforce it. Third, a prenup can be voided if one party was not given a reasonable opportunity to review it with their legal counsel. Texas law protects individuals from signing agreements they don't fully understand. If one spouse was rushed into signing the prenup without the chance to consult with an attorney, the court can decide to void it. Let's look at a real-life scenario to illustrate how a prenuptial agreement can be voided in Texas. Imagine a couple, John and Sarah. They've been together for 2 years, and shortly before their wedding, John presents Sarah with a prenuptial agreement. John is wealthy, owning several businesses and significant real estate assets, while Sarah has a modest income. John insists that Sarah sign the prenup the day before the wedding, and she feels pressure to do so without consulting an attorney. She doesn't have a full understanding of what she's signing, and John hasn't disclosed his financial situation in detail. Fast forward 5 years, and John and Sarah are now going through a divorce. Sarah seeks to challenge the prenuptial agreement, claiming that she was forced to sign it under duress and that John failed to provide a full disclosure of his assets. The court reviews the circumstances of the prenup signing and determines that Sarah did not voluntarily sign the agreement. The court also finds that John's lack of financial disclosure made the agreement unconscionable. As a result, the court rules that the prenuptial agreement is void, and Sarah is entitled to a fair division of the marital assets under Texas community property law. If you are considering signing a prenuptial agreement in Texas, it's important to ensure that it is enforceable and fair. To protect yourself and your interest, you should follow a few key recommendations. In conclusion, prenuptial agreements can provide important protections, but they are not foolproof. Texas law offers several grounds under which these agreements can be voided, especially if they were signed under duress, lack of full financial disclosure, or are found to be unconscionable. If you are dealing with a prenuptial agreement, whether before marriage or during a marriage, it's essential to work with an experienced family law attorney to ensure your rights are protected. Thank you for tuning in to today's discussion on prenuptial agreements in Texas. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe to the Brian Fagan YouTube channel for more insights into family law. We'll continue to provide valuable content to help you navigate complex legal situations. Until next time, take care and stay informed.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you liked what you saw, please give us a thumbs up. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop a comment below. And if you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. For more awesome resources, check out the description below. Take care. We'll see you in the next video.